kids, I think that's what
How
it's
do
called.
you fill this?
Sorry?
How do you fill this?
This is like flashcard, page 1, page 2, page
Okay,
3.
good. So you, all of you will have a file on the resources. So you'll have to quickly turn on your laptops again and pull out this file which is called dskids.pdf. dskids.pdf. Okay, so what you will see is you'll see a number of faces on the document which you just opened, right? And what you need to do is that there are photos, there are pictures of a lot of kids here, and we have their names, and we have their hobbies, okay? So if I see an example here, does anyone have the file open? Anyone got the file to open? Yeah? Oh, sorry, the PDF is called flashcards. Open flashcards, you should see images of kids with their name. Oh, okay, yeah, something like this, right? Sorry. It's on the resources which you downloaded in the morning where, oh, there's a resource folder.
So we got this, we just got this data, and there's only this. So should we?
Oh, Harsh, we can't see flashcards. Who all have got the flashcard file? Did anyone get the flashcard file? I think it's, what is the folder?
Even I don't
I
know
don't
this
think it's
one.
there in the pen drive.
No, no, not in the pen drive. It's on the research API dot. I just put it up.
Oh, but people won't have web.
Oh, people don't have name?
Are you able to connect to the web? Oh, how did you guys get it? How did you get it?
Yeah, Google Drive. We have shared a Google Drive
Oh, so
link.
there's a Google Drive link which was shared with all of you, which was what? Research API dot? You have it, right?
Aspiringminds.in slash AMDB, right? AMDB. Yeah, yeah. We'll just type it out.
Research.aspiringminds.in slash AMDB. It's, okay, so you got it on, right? So what you have to do is you have this sheet out here, and I'll repeat this so don't worry, for people who have been able to open it, I'm telling what to do. For others, I'll repeat it, so don't worry. So you'll see these faces with names and their hobbies, and what you have to do is that on a scale of 1 to 5, rate whether you will make this person a friend or not, right? So you rate 5 if you would really, really make this person a friend, and you rate 1 if you will really not make this person a friend, right? And then you can rate anywhere in between. So, you rate from 1 to 5, 5 if you will really make this person a friend, 1 if you will never make this person a friend, 3 if you may or may not make this person a friend, right? So you have these sheets. So, the rows goes as 1, 2, 3. So row 1 means page 1, and then there are 4 subjects on each page. So just put their rating as the number 1, 2, 3, 4. No, 5 means we really want to make this person a friend. 1, we don't want to make this friend at all. And 3 is if we neither want to make him nor we're not sure whether we want to make him a friend or not, right? Go one sheet, don't go sheet by sheet and start filling it up. We have finite time to do this. So I'll repeat once again. Guys, just concentrate once and listen. So you have these sheets with pictures, names, and hobbies. For each person, you have to say whether you will make him a friend or not. If you will really make him a friend or her a friend, rate 5. If you will not make him or a friend at all, rate 1. Right? And if it is, you're not sure whether you'll make him a friend or not, rate 3. So it's a continuous scale of 1 to 5, from I will not friend at all to I will really, really friend this person. And just fill it in these white sheets which have been given to you. Okay? 1 to 5, anything from 1 to 5. Doesn't matter, just let them do it.
And also just go left to right, top and bottom.
So every row is a page number. So you have page number 1 and there are 4 columns, so put the 4 subjects out there. And don't discuss, there cannot be a common view on whether you can make a person a friend or not. It is an individual view. So you have to all fill these sheets alone. And you have to beat the kids.
There's a ballot folder for already assigned to like the flashcards का एक ballot folder is Excel sheet. उसमें ये वाला Excel sheet is वो pen drive में दिया हुआ है सबको pen drive में हाँ Excel
Can I get a show of hands? How many are done? Okay, another couple of minutes. Okay, can I have a show of hands? How many are done? Filled up the sheets? Okay, good. So I'll just keep moving, in interest of time. I think we have the majority already filled it. People who are filling it can continue to fill it. It shouldn't take more than a minute. So now, why we did this exercise, right? And I'll be making you do the same things and giving you the same explanations which we do to kids, is that why we've done this exercise is we want you guys to make a friend predictor, right? So we want to really learn for each one of you, who do you make a friend or who you do not make a friend, right? So we really want to know that, can we use this data to predict what makes you make someone a friend or not? And can we make a predictor which will work on unseen data to predict, right? So that's the aim. Now what we do is, with kids, they don't do this with a PDF. We have these printed flashcards on which they do it. And we take the first 2 sheets, that means the first 8 images, right? And we discard them. Okay? So we take the first 8 images and we discard them. Why do we do that? We think that in the beginning, there's more noise in the data because guys are just warming up to rate these guys and you're still forming your opinions while you're looking at these pictures. So our belief is that this is noisy data and we just discard the first 2 sheets, right? Then what we do is the last 4 sheets, okay? The last 4 sheets will be the validation data. So we'll not use any of these data to really learn a model, right? So we will discard the first 2 sheets, we'll discard the last 4 sheets, right? That will leave us with 8 sheets, okay? 8 into 4 is 32, right? So a sample of 32 to make our model, right? So kids give you these sheets and you tell kids, okay, throw off the first 2 sheets, take off the 4 sheets and you put it in an envelope, which is the unseen data, which no one will look at, right? And now the next step is to start thinking about building a model. So the question which we ask kids, and is the question which I'll ask you guys, what do you think could be reasons for making someone a friend or not, right? For all the images which you have seen, what could be features, right, which will make someone decide to make a friend or not? So what could be potential features? Yeah. Hobbies. So hobbies can be potential features. Very good, but how will you value hobbies? As in, would you make each different hobby as a categorical variable? That will make like so many variables, right? Group them, very good. So how can we group them? How can we group hobbies, ideas? Wow. Okay. Yeah. How can you group hobbies? Correct. So all sports in one category, all arts in one category, etc. Was there a different idea on this table or the same one? Any different? So there's one categorization, all sports in one, all art in one, so on and so forth. Any other ideas? Okay. Come again? Correct. Correct. So what we are saying is that if we take every separate value as a variable, it will explode the number of variables we have. And our trained data set is just 32. So we just can't do that. So we have to group it in some way, right? So we don't tell all this to kids. This is all what I'm telling you. But to simplify it for kids, we have to group it in some way and put it in one way. And one idea we got here was sports, arts, etc. What we did was we grouped it as indoor and outdoor. Indoor activities and outdoor activities. Okay. Okay. So one is hobby. What else could make someone a friend or not? What else could be there? Expressions on the face, whether the kid is smiling or not smiling. Okay, there was an idea here. They are happy or not. What else? But how would you know that from the data? Gender. Very good. So we use gender, and I'm sure the result for kids and teenagers are all flipped around for that. But gender, right? So male and female would be one thing, and we run an experiment on that. What else? Right, but how do you translate it to the data set which we saw? Sure. So let's concentrate right now on the data which we have. Names. What with names? Yeah, so we've already considered hobbies, right? No, so let's concentrate on names. What can we do with names? Exactly. So there are 2 kinds of names, modern and old names, right? So that was another feature which we used, right? So there are new names. There's a new name here, Atmaram, right? Which is definitely an old name, right? So the question is that, would you like to make friends with a person whose name is Atmaram or not, right? Okay. So I'll just move ahead, but these are 3 features which we used with kids. Old names, new names, indoor hobbies, outdoor hobbies, and the third one was gender. We did not use expressions, but one can use expressions as well.